Hey, Southwest Florida. Sorry for the impromptu market update at a home inspection now, but just wanted to make sure that I go ahead and film this and get this out to you guys. Interest rates this week are about the same as 7.80% from last week's 7.81%. Maybe the rate increases are finally starting to slow down, but we'll have to see next week. Now let's dive into the rest of the numbers. New listings saw a decrease from 535 to 416, giving buyers fewer options and potentially making the competition less fierce for sellers. Interestingly though, the number of sold properties also went down from 224 to 183, signaling that while there are fewer new listings, fewer properties are closing as well. The pending sales are holding almost steady, with a tiny dip from 317 to 315, showing that buyers are still out there and deals are in the process of being made. Expired listings increased marginally from 48 to 53, which is not a significant change, but definitely something to keep an eye on. And finally, the median sales price dropped slightly from $400,000 to $390,000. Although it's a small decline, it's worth noting as it could reflect more negotiation in the market or a slight adjustment in property values. In conclusion, while we've seen some decrease in activity in listings and sales, the market remains robust, underpinned by stable interest rates and sustained buyer interest. That's all I have for you this week. For any real estate questions, or if you're looking to make a move, feel free to reach out to me. You can contact me anytime via call or text at 239-634-8639 or by email at contact@BradenMilner. And make sure to follow the channel for more videos just like this daily. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you all next week for your market update.